Wow, you look all set. Where are you off to?
Festive shopping!
Shopping? But you've already picked so much decor.
This time, it's not about decor. I'm upgrading our house. We have to host so many guests this festive season, it has to be smart.
Oh, so you want me to come along?
No, I already know what I'm getting. I'm here at the Unirec KR store and I'm so excited to see everything at one place. Festivals are all about food and sweets. So let's start from the kitchen. Here's my kitchen BFF, the high Lumiere refrigerator. It instantly elevates the look of any kitchen with its sleek design.
It features a convertible mode switch between freezer and fridge depending on your need. The colorful digital panel makes managing the temperature super easy, no guesswork, just simple smart controls.
What I truly love, the My Zone compartment. Fully customizable for beverages, dairies, spices, everything stays fresh just the way you want it. This kind of flexibility is exactly what I needed. This is definitely coming home with me. Now let's move on to entertainment because when guest gathers, this becomes the heart of the home.
The Haier M80 Mini LED powered by Google TV looks super sleek and premium.
With Dolby Vision, it gives you ultra picture quality.
And 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and ultra smooth viewing. And the sound, mind-blowing.
With sound by KEF and Dolby Atmos, it creates an immersive theater-like experience.
Honestly, who needs a movie hall anymore? And finally, the laundry, the silent chaos during festive hosting.
The Haier F9 series is here to take off the load off literally.
Featuring India's only AI color panel with one touch, it detects fabric type, load and chooses the wash cycle all by itself. The 525mm Super Drum and direct motion motor ensures tangle-free and
no noise, no hassle, it just gets the job done in the background.
And the best part, right now enjoy amazing festive offers. 25% instant cashback, Rs 994 fixed EMI. 1 EMI off, extended warranty for extra peace of mind. Visit Uniled Private Limited this festive season. Upgrade your home and make it truly smart with Haier.